These tips will prepare you for affiliate marketing success. If you are looking for all of the basics regarding affiliate marketing, plus some other tips that you might not have heard of, this video is for you. This can be a confusing subject with all of the different opinions and information that is available, especially when a lot of it is contradictory. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, ensure that your affiliate company offers resources that help you to generate sales. These resources should include banners and text links, as well as templates for recommendation letters. An affiliate company should be willing to help you earn as many commissions as possible. As the most basic rule of thumb for affiliate marketers, you need to choose a quality product before you get started. If the product you're choosing to promote is of poor quality, your results are ultimately going to suffer. Go with a solid product that has a quality reputation behind it. If not, there is no point in putting in the effort. You should always be aware of the payout structure of your affiliate product. It is fine to go with a product that generates only one payout, but products that offer recurring payments and even upsell offers are the ones you should be going after with the most gusto. You're in this game to make money. Pre-sell the offers that you want your readers to buy. Just adding a link to a product is not going to make you much money. Explain why you love the product and why you are someone they should listen to. Include the benefits that you have received from the products. Affiliate marketing programs that offer you a complete business, aka, a total business in a box, are to be avoided. This kind of affiliate marketing scam promises you that you don't have to do or learn anything at all. Just pay for your business and then take it easy while money flies your way. Unfortunately, the only one money will be flying to is the one who sold you the business. A good affiliate marketing tip is: do not include image backgrounds on your website. It might be tempting to add an image background on your website because you want to customize it as much as you can, but these tend to make pages load slower and they look unprofessional. As stated at the beginning, there is quite a bit of information available regarding affiliate marketing. Hopefully, you will find these tips beneficial. You should now find yourself ahead of the game if you are working to become an expert, or just trying to get a bit of background information. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.